In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert days in Excel if you build schedules, plan shifts, or track tasks across a week. This simple technique will save you tons of time and prevent typing mistakes. We'll keep it quick and clear, and by the end, you'll be able to create a clean list of days with just a click and a drag. Start by opening your worksheet and choosing the cell where you want the list to begin. Type any day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, or even an abbreviation like MON or 2. Excel recognizes both the full names and the short forms because days are part of its built-in sequences. Press Enter to confirm the entry, then click back on that cell so it's selected. The way you typed it, full or abbreviated, is the style Excel will continue as it fills. This means if you start with Monday, you'll get the full names. If you start with MON, you'll get 3-letter abbreviations. With the cell selected, move your mouse to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell border. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor is over that tiny square, it changes to a thin black cross. That's your visual cue that autofill is ready to go. If you still see the thicker white plus sign, you're not quite on the handle. Nudge the mouse a bit until it switches to the fine black cross. Taking a second to find that exact spot prevents copying the same text instead of generating the sequence. Now click and hold the fill handle and drag straight down for as many rows as you need. As you drag, watch the preview in the cells. You should see the days progress in order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. When you reach your desired endpoint, release the mouse. Excel instantly completes the list, looping from Sunday back to Monday if you drag beyond a single week. If the results don't look right, for example, if every cell says Monday, press Ctrl+Z or use Undo, return to the original cell, make sure you're on the fill handle with the black cross, and try the drag again. You can always extend the list later by grabbing the handle from the last filled cell and dragging farther. And that's all it takes. Type a day, find the fill handle, and drag down. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for calendars, rosters, and timelines. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling.